Hi, my name is Luke, and this is How to Combine XLS Docs. An XLS Docs is an Excel document. The newest version is known as XLXS. XLX or XLXS, you can open them in Microsoft Excel. They have different sheets available. As you can see here, I have two different XLXS docs. Double-click, see that there's 3 sheets, only one of which contains data. To combine them without overwriting or overlapping, we're going to need to use different sheets. Hold Control on the keyboard and select A. This is the Select All hotkey. With everything selected, right-click and hit Copy. Now we're going to open up the other document that we'd like to combine them with. Double-click. Here you can see on sheet 1 in the same cells we have data. We don't want to overwrite them, so what we're going to do is open up the second sheet, hit Control A to select all, and then Control V, or you can right-click Paste. Now as you can see, we have 2 sheets, one with the data from the first document and one with the data from the second document. And that's how to combine XLS docs.